Hi, Bean Beauties. Are y'all here to watch a What's in My Bag? Here's a What's in My Bag. This is the night that I got home from having meeting up with Tres Amigas for my birthday celebration. But let's do What's in My Bag. I've been having people ask that more. I use this. It's the Dooney and Bourke Red Penrose. And it's Hobo. It's actually a Penrose Hobo 25 in red. Um, so this is how it looks. And um, I pulled the color from my Radley London charm. It has like a pink lavender, kind of a deep cherry maroon, and a red. So I'm just saying that this pink lavender is pink. And so I attached all the accoutrements of pink. Have my charm here, has my initial, and this is my vintage charm from my vintage bag that I use at the doctor's office. I'll put a picture here, and I attached it here. I thought it went good with this, and so this is my favorite. In case y'all didn't know, this is my favorite style from Dooney and Bourke. Yes, I probably say a lot of them are my favorite, but this actually really is my favorite. Once I was able to figure out to put extenders on, it just does very well. Y'all have seen recently a lot about this silhouette, so I'm not going to go through it, but in case for those of y'all don't know, for me it's my favorite bag, and y'all can go check it out. Check it out. So in here, I carried my headphones that attached to my personal cell phone, and here are the headphones. And those are the headphones my hub gave me, and it does stress the leather a little bit on the zipper where it goes down, but it's getting looser as I leave it in there, which I'm fine with that because it was really kind of a tight, and I needed to put my headphones in here. So in the bag, so this is how it packed it. I did wear my sunglasses in. Luckily, I had put the case in here, and they're Lorve, and I have a video coming up. Y'all can find out about that. So I'm not going to show them to you. You have to watch the video. Deandra Bolton, Fashion Without Limitation. I won her giveaway, and that's what these are. So then the next thing is I had my recording video, which I'm recording on right now. I mean, a video camera. So that was in here. The way I pack it is I have my cell phone, my personal cell phone, where I can reach to it easier. There's not a back pocket here, but there is a pocket in the front and a zipper pocket in the back. I have tissues because I always have to have tissues, and I had those on the right hand side. And then I have my bank to where that helps, for the charger. And it's a really good one. It's Anchor, I think, is what it is. I got it on Amazon. Anker, and it's their compact, and you just put it in here, and it charges. It charges. See, it's charging. And then I had this, which I got this from Maria Loves Luxury. I'll put it closer. And it's a beautiful pattern. I have not seen this pattern before. It's actually very apropos for the occasion I got it for, and for this month. I took my lip liner. This is the clear lip liner from um, Dior. It is highly recommend. I don't mess. I'm not going to mess with colored lip liners anymore. Clear lip liner. It's a clear lip liner, and see, clear. But yes, the clear lip liner from Dior, fabulous. Then I had my cherries card case. The reason I got this out was because I needed some place to put the strap in case I needed this. And here's the inside, so I'm going to leave it There's the inside. So, um, see, the problem with doing what's in your purse is that you take everything out and then you got to put everything back in. And that kind of okay, it sucks. I was gonna say stinks. It kind of sucks. It kind of sucks because you know this has a lot of room. However, if you can't pack small or like me, it's a little longer day, you have to play Tetris. And if you don't like to play Tetris, and it actually calms my mind. I have my pen in in the case. My I've given them to a few people who have subscribed, and it just says Bean Beauties, Bean Beauty. Thank you for subscribing or subscribing. My little logo picture, and it has a pin in there in case I needed a pin. In the zipper pocket, I had my hook, my purse hook that has my logo on it, and then ladies products, and then my drugs. My drugs. It's my ibuprofen, but it's a prescription strength ibuprofen. Then I had this. I slipped this in here. I got Chris from PF Chang's at La Cantera. He was a great server. Ask for him if you go, and if he has an open table, you'll be bumped from all the other reservations or all the other. They don't do reservations. It's when you go and you sign in at the door. But if you ask for Chris and he has an open table, he can take you right away above everybody else. So ask for Chris with the K, and tell Chris Didi sent you. He won't know. He won't know. The tres amigas. It was the three friends. He won't know. And then this. Ta-da, whoop, this was my wallet for today. I'm losing my voice. And when I had it in the bag, because I tell you we did Tetris, I had it laying to where this was not facing the front, it was facing the back, so that when I could slide my cell phone down, it wasn't going to hit the seat. These are the little tips about if you're trying to go from packing big to packing small. And then I made sure that this was in the bag, like kind of laying at the top, so that when I needed it and it was perfect, I just pulled it out. I was able to pull it out, and because usually when I open my bag, the front of my bag is facing the cashier, um, because you unzip it, and so I pulled this out, and then it is easy for me to carry because the opening is facing me. You have to think about all these little things. So in here right now, this is how it looks. It's a mess. It's a mess. So I have cash money because, like I said, I don't know if I told you, I did come back from the cruise with a little bit of extra money. I didn't spend all of my money. That's the second cruise that I didn't spend a lot of my money. Um, because when you shop, there is a limit. You shop. We shopped. I've shopped a lot over the years, and I'm kind of like, oh, I have that. I have that. I have that. So I'm like, hey. So I have some cash there. Then I have a little hair tie, which I needed, but I just couldn't be bothered. The bottom of this, and it's just now starting to come unravel, but the bottom of it, the little thingy, it got caught on my bag when I was trying to get out of the car, and I felt it fall off, but I couldn't find where it fell. And it wasn't in my clothing, that I know of. It is what it is. Have my So in here is like I have my driver's license, and I'll take that out, put it over here, and then I had my credit card in case I needed to do credit card. I put the credit cards in an RFID sleeve, and it's I don't know because I don't think Coach these are RFID, so very few places like these fancy places don't have RFID technology. When I used to buy nothing but Vera Bradley, everything was RFID. Um, RFID, capability. But okay, the more you pay, the less you get. That's just how it always is. I had a Chanel little wallet. I mean, a wallet. My Chanel camera. What the heck? My Chanel mirror. This color does look good on me. Uh, Sky from Chanel. She says it's like that color was made for you, and yeah, I love like the coral. And then in here, I had my chains that um, I got um, from Chanel, and then I had my Chanel lipstick in here. Um, oh no, I had my Dior lipstick in here. And what number is this one? I don't know, but it's red. It's red. And then I had my medical cards. Always have my medical cards put together. So if, I always try to tell them that I can say it's the little bag with it has my ID and my medical cards and everything. So in case something happens to me, they know where to. I can tell them where to look right away, or they can find it easily. So here's my medical cards. And then it does have a little zipper, and the zipper pull though I wish it was just a little bit bigger. And in here I have the Scandal on the cruise. The lady in there, I actually been with her a couple of cruises. She gave me Scandal, and I like how it smells. I love how it smells. Love how this smells. So Scandal from, who's it from? I don't know. By Jean Paul Gaultier. Gaultier. It is really nice, and that's it. That's all in there. So that's why I needed the strap in case I carried it crossbody, because I wasn't sure what we were gonna do, but I just wanted to have it just in case. Uh, but I really, I could have carried it like this as well too. And so that's everything that I had in there. Okay, so this is the car bag I had. So this is a Vera Bradley, and this is one of the bags, the Vera Bradleys I travel with. I did have, and we ended up not talking schedule or anything, but I had my in here is where I write my notes for Tres Amigas. It's the Coach canvas, uh, just the notebook, the Coach canvas notebook, and so in here I have all the stuff that we talk about in here. Well, it's in the front. I didn't want to show you all of our secrets, and so that I have in here. Then I have my this is actually my appointment calendar. I keep things in my phone, but I also need to write them down. This is leather and it's super soft, and the stars glitter. They look like glitter and they shimmer. They look it's glitter. It's like they did with the cherries. I love it. So what I did is I went and got um, Amazon calendar, and it has already um, the months over here, and it has a month at a glance, and then it has the weekly in it. And I'm usually just a month at a glance planner. What I'm using for the weeklies are for notes. So I'll put in here, and then I'll go to the day if there's something in there. Like I had to go on February the 7th. I had to go to have a bone density test, and I just put in here what I things that you should wear, shouldn't wear, all that kind of stuff, what to take. I had a couple of webinars that I was did, and I put in here when they were, the goals that we needed to do out of that, and then I had meet up with the Tres Amigas, and the notes, just like things that I needed to take. And I had this in here in the front pocket of here, and then I also had my flash drive in case we needed the flash drive for anything. Then on the inside, I had, if you've watched um, Delene and Yoshia Lux and Laura the Camochica's videos, I gave each one gifts and by Valentine gifts, and so I had those in here. I had something else for Delene as well that's coming. We're gonna have a collab, and then I had this, and it was packed my travel microphone in here, which I'm using now, and I also had the to pause and unpause the thing. I have a couple of them. You pause, pause, unpause, so it makes it easier to just do that. Take a picture. Um, and this is the Dooney Bourke coated canvas cosmetic case. Then I had my travel stand in case we were going to record, and I had my iPad. had my iPad. That's what it looks like on the inside. So that's what I carried this time while I went, um, while I was out with the Tres Amigas today. So that's it for that. I do have a collab video, two collab videos coming up with Delene from Yoshia Lux. Um, I They may or may not have gone up yet or not. I don't know. But I'm going to record that next. But I don't know if you're going to see this first or after. I don't know. But I'll leave this part in there anyway. Just don't forget, if you haven't watched the clouds with Delene and I, please go watch those. And make sure that you watch Laura the Camel Chicas and Yoshia Lux. Their videos when we got together on February the 8th. All right. Love y'all. Bye.